Hi, Room 1 students. I thought I would send home a little tutorial on how to join Google Classroom and join our classrooms. We'll do this together at our meet and greet this week, but if you'd like to do it ahead of time, I thought I'd give you a little visual on how to do that. So you open up your device and you sign in, and you're going to use your Durham Unified account. So it's 27, your last name, your first initial at dustkids.org. And then in your password, you type your DUSD and your 5-digit student number. That's your lunch code number. And it's the same number you use to log in for AR. It's on your schedule if you need to find it. All right. And then the next thing you're going to want to do is go to the Google Classroom app. You could search Google Classroom, or I always just like to find it in the waffle, those little boxes there. And you can see you won't be any classes yet because we're going to join them. And here are the codes to join. So I am going to click the plus join class button. And I'm going to put in the class code for our classroom homeroom resources. So 6GA5, 6GA5, N3R. And you're going to click join. And the computer does its thing, and there we go. You are in homeroom class resources. So I can click over here and see a little bubble of all my classes. And you're going to want to join all the classes on your schedule. So for me, that would be language arts, math, history, and science. Let's go ahead and join language arts. Language arts is 6YHC, XDJ. I'm going to join again. And magic happens. And it pops up. And again, if I go over here to classes, now I can see the classes I've joined. So you'll continue with all of our homeroom classes. Now, computer skills is the exploratory class that I teach. So you're going to want to look at these exploratory join codes. So some students will have me for computer skills, but you might on your schedule for quarter one have Miss Lincoln for fine arts, Miss Selzer for travel discovery, Mr. Plummer for band, Mrs. Coyne for study skills, or Mrs. Frost Johnson for English language development, ELD. You're also going to have a join code eventually for PE. So let's say I'm a student and I'm in Mrs. Rigsby's class. So I'm going to join the computer skills class, 2UAI, TKN. And I'm going to join. All right, so you're going to want to continue that until you've joined all of your classes. And this will be what we use every week. So classroom resources, you can see for this week, we have two things you're going to turn in after your meet and greet, to assignment 1 and assignment 2. So let's open that up and take a look. Again, those assignments for the week will show up over here as well. Nothing will show up in Stream. This is a conversational tab that we won't use much. You'll always want to go to classwork. And this shows you our work for this week, what's scheduled. And then you also can see our class schedule for next week, which is more typical. And then some other information. There's a Google cheat sheet, kind of needing to learn how to navigate Google. And I've included some other things that we'll look at together later. So I hope this is helpful for you. And anytime you want to navigate Google Classroom and go back, you just click on those 3 lines and you can go anywhere you'd like in Google Classroom. So good luck on joining our classes for this year. See you soon. Bye.